Hello, Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what is threat intelligence. Threat intelligence means when we know lot of information about the threat, that means we are intelligent about the threats. Okay, uh, there are multiple ways we can understand a threat. And why it's important? Because uh, the cyber criminal industry evolving with a rapid pace. Okay, continuously they are inventing more powerful tools, techniques and procedures, and they are designing more strong or robust kind of the cyber attacks. Okay, so that they can uh, hide themselves the security services which they are using. Okay, so just to fight against those threats and to secure our resources, whether that's our network infrastructure, our data or other kind of resources from those kind of cyber attacks, we need to understand what is threat and how it is working. Okay, without knowing it, we would not be able to protect our resources against those threats. So in this case, threat intelligence plays a very important role to protect our resources. And what exactly it is, let's just discuss about it. There are number of organizations which just in the field of security, and they are providing lot of helpful information which can help us to secure our resources, whether that's CERT, okay, SAN, okay, MITRA, Infosys, FAST, ISC, multi-states. There are multiple kind of organizations are uh, providing the information about the threats. They are publishing the best practices, what we should do against those attacks, or what practices we should implement so that uh, uh, we can implement more powerful method to secure our data resources against the attack. Okay? And there are number of organizations or the companies which are offering the services for the threat intelligence. Okay, continuously they are observing the traffic over the internet. Okay, around the world they just establish different uh, security operation centers. Okay, continuously observing lot of information, and they are just trying to find out what kind of new attacks uh, uh, on the internet, and what are the ways of working of that particular attack, and what are the methods we can mitigate from those attacks. So like Cisco's Telos, okay, and Fire Eyes. There are multiple organizations. I'm not just listing all of them. Another method is automated indicator sharing. We also having machine learning or artificial intelligence, which is helping to understand what kind of threat it is, and this the information that is collected by the machine learning, that's we are emerging the information that's we collected from the security devices which we are using. Okay, and this is really very helpful to understand the threats. Okay, and another is common vulnerabilities and exposure database. This type of services will help us to just we can say measurement the severity level of the threat. Okay, all the threats are not equally impact on our or equally damage on our data or on our organizations. Okay, so there must be some standards which we can count, yes, this particular kind of threat having the severity level high, low or normal. Clear? So this is providing that facilities, very very helpful. And the threat intelligence communication standards, it can be structured threat information expression or the trusted automatic exchange of indicators, whether we are having the security devices which will find out the collected database, for example the existing threats we calculated, yes, these are the way of those threats are working, okay, and this will be the impact and this will be the indicator of compromise, so that we can identify, yes, this is when such kind of attack will come on our network, whatever the security devices we have implemented, and if that exists in our database, then definitely within seconds we can find out, yes, this is the threat we need not to allow in our network. Okay. Another thing is this threat intelligence is providing some kind of new attacks happens on internet, and yes, they just completely reverse engineered about it. They understood, yes, what is the code they use, what methods they used, and what are the ways we can protect our resources against those attacks. Okay. So that information the threat intelligence services forward to their customers, so that they can add on their database, and this is not like it can be automatically, they just forward to their so customers, and when that new attack will encounter to their network, and then they can find out, yes, this is the attack, stop it. Okay. So threat intelligence plays a very very important role in just in the cybersecurity field, and it is just a very I can say rapidly growing field. A lot of opportunities are there, and if you understand it, you can build up the skills, so that even you can find a wonderful job or the very reputed position in threat intelligence as well. Okay. So follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting informative session, and share that video with your friends and the group members as well, so that they will be able to understand what exactly is the threat intelligence and how it is important in cybersecurity, and what kind of opportunity can be exist for you and for your friends. In the next session, I will discuss about trends related to data security software. Namaste. See you in the next session.